Hello everyone. Today it's time to do block 4 of the Bunny Hill Design Blueberry Delight quilt. So this is going to be block 4. And I've got all my pieces ready. These are the backgrounds I'm going to use. I'm going to sew these 4 pieces together, and I'm going to put this on after we do the applique. These are the fabrics I've decided to use for the applique. So let's get over to the ironing board. Okay, I've got the pieces cut out, and yes, you saw me put the Heat and Bond Delight on the basket and handle on the right side of the fabric. That is incorrect. You put it on the wrong side of the fabric, so I had to recut those out. So let's get these ironed down. Okay, the bottom of this stem is going to get tucked into the seam, which is why I haven't added that other strip yet. I want to pull that over just a bit. Try and remember you've got a seam allowance there, so you don't want to go into that. Okay, now I can sew on that other strip, and then we will be ready to applique. And I will just zigzag around the edges. This should be very simple and fast. Okay, I have my zigzag on my machine. I've got a wide presser foot so that I can do the zigzag. I've got the length on 2.0 and the width at 0.60. And my knee press. Okay, there we have it. Block 4 is all done. That one was simple and fast. And thank you for joining me. And I hope you enjoy making your quilt, and I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.